Now let's set up Firebase. So first thing, we are going to create a Firebase project. So go to your browser. Remember, this is the demo project. So I'm going to go to Firebase and add project. Give your project a name. For this case, I'm going to have Firebase Auth. Click next. Click continue. Select account. You can use the default one. And then give it a few seconds to finish up creating your project. So once the project is ready, click continue. Then you'll get this information that get started by adding Firebase to your app. Click Android logo, then register your application. So to register your application, you need Android package name. So go to your project, manifest, and copy the package name. Then nickname, for this case you can just say Firebase Auth. The digital debug signing certificate, I'll just use the autocomplete one, and then I'm going to register app. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to download the config file, and then I'm going to copy it and paste in my app folder. The next thing I'll click next is to add Firebase SDK to our project. So here in your project level build Gradle, check whether you have Google configured. So go to your Gradle script, and then we check within the repository we have Google. Then within the dependencies, we need to add this line. So in our dependency, we'll add this one. And then within the all project repositories, check whether you have Google. It's added. Then select whether you're using Java or Kotlin. In this case, it's Kotlin. In the app level build Gradle, we are going to add this line, that is Google GSM, Google services. So I'm going to copy this one, go to my app level, then I'm going to have ID. So I'm going to remove this one and this one too. Then finally, you need to import Firebase BOM. And you also need to add Firebase Analytics. Then sync your project. That was successful. So the next thing that you are going to do, click next and continue to console. So I'm going to go to authentication. You'll see authentication, click get started, and click email/password, enable, and then save. So that's all we need for authentication and adding Firebase to our project. So the next thing that we need now to do, let's go to here, Firebase Documentation. It says once you register your app with Firebase, add Firebase configuration file. We have done that, but now we need to add SDK for authentication. So we are going to copy the authentication dependency here, and I'm going to paste it in my Gradle. Then sync your project, and that's all you need to finish up your Firebase configuration. So now we are going to proceed and start authentication.